Today we have day 28, and today we did another Pokemon themed print in order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, as we are doing a 31-day challenge. We're getting so close to the end of this challenge, and it's just right there. We're just getting slowly but surely closer and closer. I think we all know by now how this challenge has been working this entire month. If you guys are curious to know, go back to day 1, which is on this channel, and enjoy today's video and see how things turned out. As you guys can see, this is Pumpkaboo, one of the newer Pokemons, in celebration of this Halloween festivities for this month. Turned out excellent, really good print, and with us being on the timeline, today's video is a little bit shorter than normal. Let's go ahead and hop in and figure out how tomorrow's going to turn out.